Let's take a look at performance appraisal in practice. Employers use forms, software, or cloud-based systems to conduct appraisals. Many smaller employers use hard copy forms available from vendors such as Staples and HR Direct. Forms are simple to use but become time consuming as headcount rises. Computerization expedites appraisals. With one package, the manager sees a graphic rating scale with behaviorally anchored examples. Then they choose the best phrase, and the employee appraiser generates the appraisal with the sample text. Most computerized appraisal packages today include modules to help assist managers and employees in developing and improving performance results.